Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 9X Pro, and today I will show you how easy you can remove the screen protector from your display. So as you can see, in this case I have tempered glass on the screen. So if you want to easily remove this tempered glass or any other screen protector, I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. For example, we are going to start from the right upper section of the screen, and we have to input our fingernail underneath the screen protector. So just make it like that. Just put it gently, and then we can move our finger to the second edge. Right. We can lift this protector like that. As you can see, the air is coming under the screen, and do it slowly. Don't break the don't break tempered glass, and of course don't injure yourself. And as you can see, the tempered glass was removed from the screen, and right now we can easily turn on our smartphone and then just use it and apply other screen protector. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.